Stella. No. No, Stella. She's like, but I want to go explore. We're going somewhere.
It's exciting.
And it's so exciting. All right, guess what we're doing? We are packing up and getting ready to leave. We've been in the spot for just over a month and it's been nice, but we're ready to go. So today is a travel day. We are leaving Lake Texoma RV Campground, Thousand Trails Park, on the border of Texas and Oklahoma. This has been our spot for just over a month. We're headed down to our friend Jana and Barry's house. We're gonna stay in their driveway, a little mooch stacking, for about a week. And then we're gonna be heading over to El Paso and then Tucson to meet up with Paul's brother and wife and daughter. And we're gonna be traveling with them as they move from Tucson to Tennessee. So we're really excited to be traveling again and also to be meeting up with some people and not staying in one spot. We're pumped. Ready? You guys, we're gonna drive today. Oh boy. Yeah, I haven't done this in a while, huh? Will you stop being so noisy? We're going somewhere.
It's exciting.
And it's so exciting. And there's a nice light. Where are we going, honey?
We're going to a drive-in movie theater.
The drive-in movies.
Right?
You can't keep us from our movies. Can't hold us back. Heck no. We are staying in our friend's driveway right now. And we noticed on the map that there was a drive-in movie theater. Saw that it was open. We're gonna go check it out. We can do lots of social distancing. That's really hard to say.
Social distancing.
While at the movie theater. But they're not serving popcorn, which is a total bummer.
It really is.
So we'll check in after we go. We were not the only ones that thought this would be a good idea. Line. We're here. Man, that light is nice.
It's a nice light.
We look good.
That's nice light.
That's nice light.
So it's $8 a person.
$8 a person, $16 total.
Yeah. Stella and Marvin are not having any fun. They also don't have to pay.
They got in for free.
Yeah, we snuck them in.
They don't have any snacks. Sad. We brought our own, but
yeah,
we're really jonesing for some movie porn. Whoa. For some movie popcorn. Yeah. So we're gonna tune into the radio station and we're gonna watch this movie at the drive-in. This is my first time at a drive-in, to my knowledge. Paul says he's been multiple times. Apparently you went with Ollie.
I went a long time ago.
Before we met, yeah. It's very busy here. A lot of people. I think there's eight screens.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Oh, hush. What are you so mad about? We're gonna see the movie. Marv, you've never been to the movies before. Oh, they're really high. They're really high on a pillow, so they could jump right out.
There you go.
Good job.
This one too? Over here?
Oh, that was funny.
And diversion for you and your family. Did you fail to dress up for tonight's show? No tie, an old shirt and slacks, a house dress? Well, don't give it a thought. We're glad you came as you are. We just want you to enjoy yourselves. Don't forget to visit our refreshment center during the exhibition or anytime. You love the tasty array of snacks we have to offer. So will the youngsters.
No snacks.
Everything is quality and so good.
So we thought we wouldn't get cheaper diesel than $2.16.
Yeah, what was it?
Yeah, right. What is it? What was it? 157?
Yeah, something like
Oh,
that.
we're just driving around.
Yeah, well, there's no diesel pumps.
Oh, no diesel pumps over there. Okay, got it. Oh, there it is.
Come way over here.
151 for diesel. Sheesh. Will it go lower than that? That's the question.
Anybody from Chicago know if this is like really Chicago? What's this?
I mean, it looks legit. Alright, so we left our friend's driveway this morning after a week. Luckily we were on our way out of Cedar Hill State Park, so we were able to come in and dump our takes here. We were going to go to a KOA, but I thought this was better.
Yeah, it's much better than the KOA. It's only $5.
Yeah, only $5. Not bad. And there's nobody around because they're not allowing camping right now, so quick in and out before we hit the road. Spot here. It's like five-ish free spots, maybe 6. There's a big baseball diamond across the street. This is a community center that doesn't seem to be in operation any longer. And there's a big, beautiful park over here. And Marv in the shade. All in all, not a bad place for a free night of camping.
Was the sunlight on there or no?
Yesterday, Paul got eaten up by some ants.
Super gross.
And his
Puffy that
ankle is so puffy and swollen. He's been getting some fluid out of those bites, but the itch isn't too bad, but it's just painful. So
Yeah.
we're hoping we don't have to lose the leg. So last night we stayed the night here at, it's called Randolph Rampy Park. Let me show you the sign right here. I don't know if it'll show correctly, but it's just a very tiny little, like 6 spots in Tatum, New Mexico. Free, full hookups. There's 50 amp, there's water, there's I already said electric, there's a sewer dump per spot. So awesome little spot. We found it on Campendium. So we spent the night here. It was great, it was quiet. And today we are headed to Tularosa we're gonna meet up with Kyle, Paul's son, and for a couple of nights we're gonna stay at a harvest house. So, and then we'll be headed on to Tucson. So couple more days of travel before we can settle for a few days, but so far it's been going good. So this is a community center that doesn't seem to be really in operation. And then behind that is a really nice big park as well, with a basketball court and picnic area and a playground and all that stuff right across the street. And then across the street from where all the campers are is a big baseball diamond. So we took the dogs out there last night and let them run around. Overall, very impressed. Marv, are you hot? What? Oh! What? Oh, there's Stella too. Hi, Stella. What are you doing? You guys ready to travel? You guys ready to drive? So I just got to this winery. Big, open, dirt kind of area. Behind where the winery is. There's the little winery building, pistachio trees, and then the vineyards are out there. So we just got 2 bottles of wine. Come here, honey. Always ahead of me.
Sorry, I walk fast.
The host was really nice. Very chatty.
Yeah, this place is.
But this place
really
is pretty cool. With the cloud cover, it's just really beautiful. Here, I'm
It's
gonna
about
switch
80
the.
degrees. Oh,
It's
yeah.
a little warm, but look at that.
Even though it's hot, we are at 4,000 feet, so
Yeah.
it should cool off quite considerably.
Oh yeah,
And he
the
said,
night.
the guy, there's a little information about grape wines for you.
Oh yeah.
Um,
Tell us what he said.
if it's hot in the daytime, then it gets cool at night, not like cold, like freezing, then it brings up
good.
the acidity level
Oh,
in the grapes.
yeah.
And that's really makes some fantastic grapes.
That's why New Mexico is a good place to grow wine.
Yeah, so there you go.
There you go. A little bit of history for you. We learned so much. Look at them.
Oh, Marvin. You can't stand it.
Hi guys.
Stella. Hi.
Did you miss us? Don't scratch the screen.
Get down.
Don't you do it.
Get that fly. Get that fly.
Get the fly, Stella. So our original thought was to stay here for 2 nights, even though sometimes, I mean, at Harvest Host, we've only stayed 1 night. We were going to ask him to stay another night, but we decided to actually just make a reservation at a local RV park just down the road, only because we only have 1 solar panel working. And so without any electricity, we're kind of running low. So we do have a generator, but we just figured just for the night, since it's kind of hot, we want to run the ACs, that we're just gonna go down to another park right down the street for the night tonight. And then tomorrow we're gonna head out to Tucson. It's our first time eating in a restaurant in probably 2 months. We were trying to think of the last restaurant we actually ate in. We can't really remember what it is, but look, there's nobody in here. They have the seats like caution taped off like every other booth, so you can't sit like near anybody. But it's fine. How was it, honey?
It was great. It feels very normal now. Like,
It feels very normal, despite the fact that nobody's here.
well, it's 11 o'clock in the morning.
It is true. It's 11 o'clock. They just opened. So anyway, but yeah, first time we're in Tucson, Arizona. So hopefully it will get better from here. Yeah, that's good.
Zoe Elise Wolf, graduating with high honors.
Make this a weekly visit. Bring the family. Bring your friends. There are always wonderful new pictures to see, delightful snacks to nibble, a gay, pleasant evening for all.
A pleasant evening for
Oh,
all.
a word of caution. Don't drive over 10 miles an hour in the theater area for your safety's sake. And Mom or Pop, go with the kids when they leave the car. We hope you have a wonderful time. Come back soon.
It's awesome.
It's a great experience, isn't it?
It is. It's awesome. Maybe the drive-in movies are going to make a comeback.
Maybe, yeah.